I am Ariyaradi. Yeah, talk about healthy food. Healthy food gives us energy. Fruit and vegetables very good for us. Dry products like milk make our bones strong. Healthy food makes us feel good every day. Thank you. Good morning, one and all. My name is Shivan. I tell about energy food. Apple, energy food. Apple color, red and green. I like apple. Thank you.
The summer's day for you.
To all, my name is Yashwant. I am studying second standard A. This is an apple. Apple is a healthy fruit. It is red and green in color. It is sweet and taste. We should eat apple every day. Thank you. My name is Muskan. My topic name is healthy food. Apple outside is a red color. Apple inside is a white. Apple is a healthy food. Banana outside is a yellow color. Banana inside is a white color. Banana is a healthy food. Watermelon is a healthy food. Watermelon outside is a green color. Watermelon inside is a red color. Watermelon healthy food. Thank you.